Hello everybody, and today I'm going to show you how you can download dark textures for your Roblox rivals. So what you need to do is go to my description and click on the link down below. You will see this page pops up. Click here, download button. It should load it. Click save, and after that, uh, open it. Okay. Click dark textures and have here your textures. Now you need to go to your uh, search and type Roblox. Go to Roblox player and click on open file location. After that, you will need to click on Roblox player and right click it and go to file location. Then simply go to shade extra content and textures. And as you can see, you will need to put those here. Copy it and drag it here. After that, you will need to go to platform content, click PC, textures, and also copy this and put it here. Click replace the files in the destination. And that's it. That's how you install your texture pack into Roblox. Now launch the Roblox and your textures should be dark. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope that helped you.